In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur text in Canva. Now, you might be wondering why you would want to blur text in the first place. Well, whether you're creating a design that features some text you want to obscure for privacy, or you simply want to add a stylish touch, knowing how to blur text can be really handy. Although Canva doesn't have a direct feature to blur text, there's a simple workaround and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, we need to convert your text into an image, since Canva can blur images but not text directly. Start by creating a new design or opening an existing one where your text is already set. Make sure your text looks exactly how you want it, with the right font, size, and color. Once everything is ready, we'll turn it into an image. Look at the top right corner of your design interface and click the share button. A menu will pop up, and from here, click on download. When the download options appear, select either PNG or JPEG as your file format. These formats work best for images that you might want to edit later. After selecting your file type, click download, and your text will be saved as an image to your computer. With your text image ready, we can move on to the fun part, blurring it. First, go back to your Canva design and remove the original text. This prevents any overlapping or duplicated text in your design. Next, we'll bring the text image back into Canva. On the left side, click on Uploads to open your stored files, then upload the image you just downloaded. You can do this either by dragging and dropping the file or by selecting it from your computer. Once the upload is complete, drag the image into your design workspace and adjust its size and position to fit perfectly. Now comes the exciting part, applying the blur effect. Click on the image and at the top, select Edit. This will bring up a variety of editing tools. Look for the blur option and click on it. You'll see a slider that lets you control the intensity of the blur. Adjust the slider until your text is blurred just the way you want it. And that's it. Your text is now beautifully blurred. This technique isn't limited to text. It can be applied to any element in Canva, giving you amazing flexibility for your designs. While this workaround might seem a little extra at first, it's actually quite quick once you get the hang of it. Blurring text can add privacy, focus, or a creative flair to your projects, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel confident adding blurred text to your Canva designs. Happy designing!